we're back with our phonics class with teacher Louise.
And teacher Nook.
Okay, in this period, we will be learning a new sound. Okay, and that new sound is the sound of the letter L. Okay, so this is the letter L. Okay, now.
Okay, before we start, can we say hi to our friends, students? Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, good job.
All right, so what letter can you see here? It's letter L. Okay, very good. So this is the letter L. Okay, when you say the letter L, the tip of your tongue should hit your teeth at the back of your teeth. Okay, so if this is your tongue, this is your teeth, so L. Okay, L. It goes out a little sometimes, that's okay, but not too much. All right?
May I explain a little?
Yes.
ขออนุญาตอธิบายหน่อยนะคะเนื่องจากเด็กๆอาจจะสับสนนะคะตัว L เนี่ยคล้ายๆกับลอลิงในภาษาไทยนะคะแต่ว่าจะต่างกันนิดนึงนะคะเวลาเด็กๆออกเสียงตัว L นะคะฟันหน้านะคะ2ซี่ด้านหน้านะคะที่เป็นฟันคู่นะคะลองเอาลิ้นขึ้นไปแตะลองดูค่ะหลังฟันหน้าด้านบนนะคะจะมีปุ่มอยู่เรียกว่าปุ่มเหงือกนะคะเอาลิ้นขึ้นไปแตะปุ่มเหงือกเวลาเราออกเสียงตัว L นะคะแบบนี้นะคะโอเค one two three 1 2 3โอเคค่ะ
Okay, so the sound of this letter L is okay, again and the action for letter L, this is the action I want you to look. It's like licking a lollipop. Okay, so a lollipop, this is a lollipop. Okay, this is a lollipop. So the action would be like licking a lollipop. So okay. One more time. Let's do it 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So while doing that, you will be able to produce or make the sound of the letter L correctly. Okay, so L. Okay, the sound, what is the sound of letter L? And what is the action? Okay, so that's letter L. Okay, so we will sing the song. We will listen first before we learn how to sing the song. Okay, so listen to the song. We lick your lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Ooh, we lick our lollipops. Okay, all right, so let's learn the song. Are you ready to learn the song? Very good. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's learn the song. So as we can see here, we have the picture. This is a picture of the word lick. Okay, repeat after teacher. Lick.
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 Now lick is like this, okay? You lick the lollipop or the ice cream. You can also lick the ice cream. The dog likes to lick also, okay? So this is lick, all right? And this is a picture of a lollipop, okay? Repeat after teacher, lollipop.
Lollipops.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Okay, but in this one we will say lollipops because it's part of the song's lyrics, okay? So repeat, teacher will read and you listen, okay? We lick.
We lick.
Okay, listen, read, repeat after teacher. We lick.
We lick.
We lick.
We lick.
Our lollipops.
Our lollipops.
We lick our lollipops.
We lick our lollipops.
Okay, so you will say that one twice. Okay, so let's try 1 and 2. 1, 2, slowly, okay? We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. All right? 1, 2, 3, go. We
lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops.
Now, on this part, one moment. On this part, you will do the action. At the same time, you will also make the L sound, which is what? What is the L sound? What is the L sound? So this part you will say, okay? And then you go back to, let's read 1, 2, 3, go. We lick our lollipops. Okay, are we ready to sing?
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready to sing the song? Yes, and don't forget to do the action and make the sound properly, okay? All right, let's sing. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. One more time, right? We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, we lick our lollipops. Excellent. Okay. So that was our song, the L song for our Jolly Phonics. Okay. Oh, this time I want you to look at our big book. Oh, it's time for our big book. Okay. So this time, what is the sound of this letter? Oh, and what letter is this? L. Okay, so the sound of letter L once again is O. O. And this is letter L. This is the big letter L or capital letter L. And this is a small L. Okay, so now kids, I want to ask you, what are the other pictures that you can see here in this page? Okay, who can tell me? If you want to answer, you can raise your hand, okay? Yes, Wasa. Is there a spider? Yes, there is a spider, teacher. The boy with the green shirt is holding. Yes, and there's also one here. This spider. Okay, this one is a real one, and this one is a toy spider. Repeat after teacher. Spider.
Spider.
Spider. Spider. Okay, who else? One. Lollipop. Okay, as what teacher showed you, this is a lollipop, but this is also a lollipop. So the boy is holding a lollipop. Repeat after teacher. Oh. Oh. Lollipop. Lollipop. Very good. So this is a lollipop.
Oh, teacher, and it's big.
It's big. And it's also very sweet. Sweet. Okay. Who else can give me a... Yes? A present. Oh, there are lots of presents under the table. So this is a table and under. So this is a table. Under the table, there are presents. There are presents, okay? So presents, or you can also say gifts. Okay, repeat after teacher. Presents.
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 And the other one is gifts.
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 Good job. Okay, what else? Yes? There's a lamp. Where's the... Yes, this is a lamp. Very good. Good job. Repeat after teacher. Ooh. Ooh. Lamp.
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 So teacher Nook is pointing at the lamp. Yes. 5. Balloons. Oh, who loves balloons? Raise your hands. Wow, do you love balloons? Raise your hand. Very good. Okay, so these are balloons. So lots, and there are many colors as well. Yes. Picture. Oh, there is a picture of what animal?
A donkey.
A donkey. Okay, so this is a picture, but in the picture there's a picture of a donkey. So this is a donkey, but it's a picture of a donkey. Okay? What else? One more. One more. Yes, Rompang? A cake. Okay. So there's a cake. Okay, you've learned this word before already. Repeat, but let's repeat that one. Cake.
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 Cake. Cake. All right, so that's a cake. Okay, so are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen to this story?
Yes.
Yes, good job. I hope you're ready there, okay? All right, so it was this boy's birthday, okay? And this boy's name is Leon. Okay, repeat after teacher. Leon.
Leon.
Leon starts with the letter L, so you make the sound Leon. Okay, can we do that one? Leon. 1, 2, 3, go. Leon. So whose birthday is it? Leon's birthday. Oh, he is so happy. Look, he is smiling. He is happy. He is not sad. He is happy because it is birthday. Okay? And Leon has friends. Okay? So this is Laura. Okay, repeat after teacher. Laura.
Lola.
Laura.
Lola.
Okay, and this is Lenny.
Lenny.
Oh, so they all start with the letter L. Okay, and there's one friend here as well. Okay, so now, so they went to, whose birthday is it again? Whose birthday is it? Leon's birthday. And what's the name of this girl? What's the name of this girl? Laura. And this is? Lenny. Okay, Lenny. Now, so they were at the party, the birthday party of Leon. So they were having fun, enjoying, lots. They ate, they were eating cakes, and then they were playing games as well. Oh, and there were plenty of balloons. And you have this one also, the toys. So they were all having fun. Then, suddenly, Leon gave out some lollipops to eat. And the kids were so happy, like, oh, I love lollipops. Leon was like, who wants lollipops? And then they raised, I want. Okay, so while they were playing, they were also playing hide and seek. They're eating what? Lollipops. Okay, so they were eating lollipops. Now, while they were eating or while they were playing, so much fun already, they were also licking the lollipop. Now, while they were licking, they were making a sound. And what sound is that? What sound is it? Very good. The sound is Okay. So that was the story about Leon's birthday. So Leon, what did Leon give out? He gave out some lollipops. So Leon gave his friends lollipops. Did they like it? Yes, they enjoyed eating the lollipops. Okay, so that's the story about Leon's birthday. Okay, now I want you to look at the interactive board. We will be learning new words that starts with the letter L, or words that has the L sound, the sound. Can we do that one again? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can we do that please? 1, 2, 3, go. So that is, what letter is that again? Letter? L. Oh, excellent, very good. So that's letter L. Okay, so let's look at the board. Okay, so we have words here. Okay, that's all starts with what letter? L. So, but this one, it is the small letter L, but it's the same. The sound is the same. Okay, so we have this one, the first one. Okay, so teacher will let you read the word. Repeat after, listen. I want you to listen and repeat after teacher, okay? Lick. Lick. Okay, so this is a picture of lick. So the man or a woman or the person in this picture is licking the what? Very good. The person is licking the lollipop. Okay, let's read. Lick. Lick. Very good. And then we have the repeat after teacher. Lamp. Lamp. Okay, so this is a picture of a lamp. Who has lamps at home? Very good. Okay, so this is a picture of a lamp. Can you repeat after teacher, please? Lamp. Very good. Again. Lamp. Lamp. Good job. Okay, so this is a picture of a lamb. And what picture is this? Lick. And this one is a picture of a lamb. Very good. Do not forget that, okay? Don't forget that. All right, next. Ooh, lion. Up. Ooh. Lion. This one is a picture of a lion. Okay, it's a picture of a lion. Okay, repeat after teacher. Ooh. Ooh. Lion. Oh, I can't hear you. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. That's it. That's better. Okay, next. Very good. So this is a picture of a lion. And what picture is this? Lamb. And what about this? Lamb. Very good. Okay, now the next picture we have this one. Ooh, lemon. Okay, repeat after teacher. Up, repeat, listen and repeat. Ooh. Lemon. Okay. Ooh. Lemon. Very good. So this is a picture of a lemon. Oh, when you eat the lemon, it's very sour. Sour. Sometimes sweet a little, but sometimes it's sour. Okay. And you can make it into a lemonade, but later. Okay. Let's do lemon. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, can we do that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Lemon. Very good. Okay. Next. So this is a picture of a lemon. And this is lion. And what about this? Lick. And we have lamb. Very good. Now let's read. Lemonade. Lemonade. Oh, so if you want to drink the juice of the lemon, you will squeeze it. Okay, so this is squeeze. Okay, you squeeze the lemon. Okay, repeat after teacher. Ooh. Lemonade. Lemonade. Ooh. Lemonade. Lemonade. Okay, so this is a lemonade. What do you do with the lemonade? You will eat or drink? Drink. Okay, so you can drink your lemonade. Okay, it's very hot and you need, I want my lemonade. You can use this straw. Okay, next. So what picture is this again? It's a lemonade. Next. Lollipop. Okay, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. Lollipop. Very good. So this is a picture of a lollipop. Okay. Next, the last one, we have the light. Okay, I want you to pop your T at the end. Light. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Light. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Light. Okay, so this is a picture of a light. That is an example of a light. Okay, if it's too dark, I can't see anything. Oh, I can't see. So you will turn on the light. So, I can see right there. There's a light. I can see. Okay. Let's read. Lick. Lamp. Okay. Let's start from lick, and teacher will point, and I want you to read. Let's use this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Now I want you to read just the word lick, lamp, lion, lemon, and I want with power and energy, okay? I want you to read it, please. 1, 2, 3, lick. Very good. Okay, so we will do a reading activity using this board, okay? Using our board here. Okay, so this is reading sentences with the what sound? Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is the letter L, and the sound of the letter L again is okay. Okay, so this is the L sound. Okay, so this time, first teacher will read the sentence, and then next teacher will read, and you will repeat. Second time, so teacher will read and then you will repeat. So first, teacher will only read the sentence. Second, teacher will read and you will repeat. And the third one, I want you to read it by yourselves. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Again, are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Good job. Okay, let's read. Listen to the teacher first, okay? So today is Mr. Lion's birthday party. Okay? Now repeat after teacher. Today is Mr. Lion's
is Mr. Lion
birthday party.
party.
Today is Mr. Lion's birthday party. 1, 2, 3, go. Birthday party. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Sentence number 2. Okay. You listen to teacher first. There are 5 lions at the party. Okay, this time, repeat after teacher. There are 5 lions at the party. Okay, are you ready to read?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready to read? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. There are
5 lions at
Okay, next. Listen. One lion licks a lollipop. Okay, repeat after teacher. One lion licks a lollipop. Okay, this time 1, 2, 3, go.
licks
Very good. Okay, next, the same. One lion drinks lemonade. Okay, or one lion drinks lemonade. Okay, so repeat after teacher. One lion drinks lemonade. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
drinks lemonade.
Excellent. One lion eats a lemon. Okay, this time, repeat after teacher. One lion eats a lemon.
eats a lemon.
Okay, read it by yourselves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
eats
Very good. Okay, the last sentence. 2 lions are under a tall lamp. Okay, repeat after teacher. 2 lions are under a tall lamp. Okay, are you ready to read this sentence? Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, go. 2
lions
Very good. So 2 lions are under a tall lamp. So whose birthday party is it? Very good. So it's Mr. Lion's birthday party. Okay. How many lions were there in the party?
5.
Oh, very good. There were 5 lions. 5 lions in the party. And what were the lions doing? They were licking the Very good. So lick the lollipop. The 5 lions were licking the lollipop. Oh. And then, but there was 1 lion also who was drinking what?
Lemonade.
Very good. Drinking the lemonade. Okay. And then, but also 1 lion eats a lemon. But 2 lions were under again. So this is the lamp. Oh, lamp. Lamp. Okay, this is the lamp. 2 lions were under the lamp. Okay, under a tall.
The lamp is
lamp.
tall.
Teacher Louise is tall. Okay. All right. So this is the L sound. Okay. Are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Our next activity is a game, and it's flashcards game. Okay, so teacher has prepared flashcards with pictures of the L sound. Now let me try if they can still remember, Teacher Nu, the words. Okay, I will show you the flashcards, and then you will tell teacher what picture can you see. You can see on the flashcard. Okay, so first one we have, what's this? Lemonade. And then we have, what's this? Lake. Very good. Next picture? Lamp. And what about this one? Very good. And what about this? Oh, it's a lion. And then we also have the lollipop. And what do we do with the lollipop? We will lick the lollipop. Okay. Very good. Okay.
เด็กๆ คะ เดี๋ยวเราจะเล่นเกม Flash Card กันนะคะที่เชื่อมี Flash Card ให้ 2 ชุดนะคะ แบ่งเป็น 2 ทีมนะคะ แต่ละคนจะได้ Flash Card หรือว่าบัตรภาพเนี่ยไปถือคนละ 1 อันนะคะ มีอยู่ 1 อันสำรองไว้นะคะ เพราะฉะนั้น 1 คนนะคะ เรามี 5 คนต่อทีม 1 คนจะได้ 2 การ์ดนะคะ Teacher Louise จะอ่านประโยคนะคะ อ่านประโยคเป็น 1 ประโยค แล้วถ้าเด็กๆ ได้ยินคำศัพท์ตามรูปภาพที่เราถือ เช่น Teacher นุกเนี่ยถือคำว่า lemonade Teacher บอกว่า one lion drinks lemonade Teacher นุกก็จะออกมายืนด้านหน้านะคะเราจะยืนกันเป็นแถวแบบนี้นะคะ1กลุ่มแล้วก็1กลุ่ม2กลุ่มนะคะยืนหน้ากระดานเรียงแถวเท่ากันนะคะแต่ถ้าได้ยินคำศัพท์ one lion drinks lemonade Teacher ก็จะออกมายืนข้างหน้านะคะเสร็จแล้วก็กลับไปที่เดิมแล้วก็รอฟังประโยคต่อไปโอเคไหมคะกิจกรรมนี้นะคะฝึกการฟังของเด็กๆและไม่ใช่ฟังอย่างเดียวต้องมีสมาธิด้วยนะคะต้องฟังอย่างตั้งใจถ้าไม่ตั้งใจโอ้มัวแต่วอกแวกหันซ้ายหันขวาพอที่ชอบพูดเสร็จเราก็จะไม่ได้ยินคำที่เราถืออยู่นะคะแล้วก็ไม่ได้ออกมายืนด้านหน้านะคะโอเคนะคะเดี๋ยวที่จะแจกแฟลชการ์ดให้นะคะกลุ่มละ1เซตนะคะตอนนี้เด็กๆลุกขึ้นยืนเรียงแถวหน้ากระดานเลยนะคะ Can be boys and girls
Yes
หันหน้ามาด้านนี้
You can
Okay boys are you ready
Yes!
What about girls
Oh girls are you ready Oh, they are ready, Teacher Noob.
Okay,
so
let's see.
We will give out the flashcards. Okay, so this is for the boy. These are for the boys, and these are for the girls. Okay, since there are 5, one will get 2. Okay, one will get 2. So one for you. Okay.
Sorry.
You look at the picture when you receive it and think, oh, I have this one. One for you.
2 for you.
And Rompang, 2
Okay,
for you.
right?
Oh. Okay, so are we ready now? Are we ready to play?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready? Okay, so first sentence. Listen very carefully. Okay. First one. Today is Mr. Lion's birthday party. Okay.
Mr. Lion, go.
All right. So like this, since Rompang, the girl, went out of the line first, she gets 2 points, teacher. So girls get 2 points. Very good. And boys get 1 point. Good job. Okay, come back. Now listen. Be careful, okay? Next. There are 5 lions at the party. Lions. 5 lions at the party. Oh! Okay, she has the lion again. Okay, so you get points as well. Okay, next. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Listen. Listen very. Sentence number 3. One lion. Oh, don't look. One lion licks a lollipop. Go! One lion licks a lollipop. Quickly. Oh, the boys got it. Okay, so they get how many points, teacher?
Oh, cannot calculate
I
already.
think it's around 4, teacher. And they have 4 as well. Okay.
That's okay. That's okay.
Next.
Just practice.
Next, listen. One lion drinks lemonade. Go! Oh, the boys did it well. Okay, so what picture do we have? Lemonade and? What picture do we have? Lemonade and? Lion. Very good. Okay, come back. Next. Listen. One lion eats a lemon. Go! Wrong bang. Got it because she's got a lemon and a lion. Okay, move back. Next. 2 lions are under a tall lamp. Go! Lamp.
Lamp here also.
Okay, so lamp is also there. All right.
Upside down.
Okay, so come back. All right. So can we give back the? Can you give the flashcards back to teacher? Thank you.
เด็กๆ คะกิจกรรมต่อไปนะคะที่เชอร์มีใบงานให้นะคะใบงานนี้จะเกี่ยวข้องกับเรื่องที่เราอ่านไปเมื่อกี้นะคะเป็นงานวันเกิดของ Mr. Lion It's Mr. Lion birthday party นะคะวันเกิดของ Mr. Lion ที่เชอร์มีกรอบนี้ให้นะคะสี่เหลี่ยมมีรูปภาพเป็นบอลลูนนะคะเพราะว่าในงานวันเกิดเรามีบอลลูนสีสวยๆนะคะตกแต่งงานและก็มีแลมป์ให้นะคะเด็กๆจะต้องทำความเข้าใจกับเรื่องที่อ่านทิเชอร์คิดว่าเด็กๆเข้าใจละเพราะว่าเราอ่านซ้ำๆหลายๆครั้งแล้วเราก็ฝึกกิจกรรมนะคะเราจะต้องกลับมาทบทวนอีก1 ครั้งตรงบทอ่านตรงนี้นะคะแล้วก็เด็กๆวาดรูปที่เด็กๆเข้าใจลงไปนะคะเช่น Today is Mr. Lion birthday party ก็อาจจะวาดรูปอะไรคะLion 1 ตัวกำลังสวมหมวกเพราะว่าเป็นงานวันเกิดสวมหมวกอาจจะเป็นหมวกเหมือนหมวกคริสต์มาสนะคะสวมหมวกแล้วก็กำลังต้อนรับ Lion ตัวอื่นๆที่มาร่วมในงานดูซิ Lion แต่ละตัวทำอะไรกันบ้างจำได้ไหมคะ How many lions are there? 5 lions เพื่อนๆ lions ก็มาร่วมงานแต่ละตัวทำอะไรหรือว่าอยู่ที่ไหนกันบ้างในบทความตรงนี้นะคะเขาบอกให้เด็กๆอยู่แล้วนะคะกลับมาทำความเข้าใจอีก1 ครั้งแล้ววาดรูปลงไปเดี๋ยวทิเชอร์จะตรวจสอบความเข้าใจของเด็กๆจากเรื่องที่เราอ่านพร้อมกันเนี่ยในกิจกรรมนี้ที่เราลงมือวาดรูปนะคะไม่ยากนะคะ
So before we start to do our worksheet or our activity, it's important to review our story about Mr. Lion. Okay, so I want you to listen to teacher. Okay, so today is Mr. Lion's birthday party. There are 5 lions at the party. 1 lion licks a lollipop. 1 lion drinks lemonade. 1 lion eats a lemon. And 2 lions are under a tall lamp. Okay? Teacher Nu?
ทิเชอร์คิดว่าเด็กๆคงจะเข้าใจเรื่องราวที่ทิเชอร์ลุอิสทบทวนให้แล้วนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะลงมือวาดภาพนะคะถ้าเด็กๆไม่เข้าใจสามารถกลับไปอ่านบทความด้านบนอีกรอบหนึ่งนะคะหรือว่าจะยกมือขึ้นถามทิเชอร์ก็ได้นะคะโอเค so we start now
Thank you.
วาดรูปนะคะลงมือทำเลยค่ะไม่ต้องเขียนบทความแล้วนะคะถ้าไม่เข้าใจให้กลับขึ้นมาอ่านด้านบนนะคะลงมือวาดภาพตามความเข้าใจเลยนะคะ Happy
Okay, so on this blank or space, you can write happy birthday because it's the birthday of Mr. Lion. Okay, and as what teacher Nook said, you should draw 5 lions. Okay.
and 2 lions here under
The
a
lamp.
tall lamp.
Very good.
The lamp is tall and there are 2 lions.
Licking the lollipop. A drawing of one lion licking the lollipop, and then one lion drinking a lemonade.
เด็กๆ คะนี่เป็นตัวอย่างของรูปภาพที่เพื่อนวาดนะคะเกือบจะเสร็จละ Happy Birthday นี่มีป้ายนะคะข้างๆลูกโป่งมีข้างๆลูกโป่งอยู่ข้างๆนะคะแล้วก็มี 1 2 lions under a tall lamp one lion not yet but here เจ้าของงานวันเกิดนะคะ lick the lollipop แล้วก็1ตัว one lion drink lemonade ตอนนี้เพื่อนมี5ตัวละกำลังจะวาดตกแต่งอีกนิดหน่อยนะคะอันนี้เป็นงานของเพื่อนที่เสร็จแล้วนะคะเดี๋ยวเรากำลังจะลงมือระบายสีกันนะคะนี่เป็นงานวันเกิดโอ้ many lions at the party เห็นไหมคะหลายตัวเลยนะคะ Who wants to join the party Teacher Louis you want to join
I want to join, okay.
but Teacher Nook doesn't want to okay so we will review the sounds
All right. Okay, the words that we have learned.
Yes.
Again, before we end, can we do the action? Okay, and can we make the sound of the letter L? Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, do the action and the sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. And what letter is that? That is letter L. Now, we will review our words. Okay, and then I want you to look at the flashcards. Teacher will show you the flashcards, and you tell me what pictures you can see here. Okay, so the first one, what's this? Lollipop. And what about this? Lick. Very good. And what about this one?
Lemonade.
Very good. And what about this?
Lamb.
Lamb. And next?
Lion.
Good job. This one?
Lemon.
Lemon. And
Lollipop.
lollipops. Okay. So let's read the words here. 1, 2, 3, go. Lick. Next? Lamb. This one?
Lion.
Lion. This one?
Lamb.
Okay. Lemon. This one?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. This one?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. And?
Lion.
Very good. So today we have learned what letter? The sound of the letter? What's L? Very good. The sound of the letter L. And the sound of the letter L is? Okay, you did a very good job today. Very good, okay? Thank you, everyone.
Thank you Teacher Nook and Teacher Louis
Okay, let's say goodbye to our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.